Just got up in the stand. Got the 308 locked and loaded. Got Brewster 6.5 locked and loaded. Now it's time to sit back and wait on the old whitetail to come out.
Oh yeah.
Chasing whitetails in Mississippi.
Yep.
That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
We brought the other camera with us, so we're gonna try to zoom in on them and be quick this time.
Yep. Unlike this morning.
We're gonna have it out and ready to go. That way we ain't got a fool with cutting it on, trying to be quick enough to get the deer on there. We'll be ready for them. We'll be back. Hey, this camera's gonna do the trick. Some deer will come out. There's that feeder. Zoom right in. See the other deer stand down there. Come on, dear. Time to come out and play. Alright. So we're sitting in the stand, haven't seen anything. I come down here, got on the ground. Brewster's still up in the stand. He bought a little rattling bag the other day. He wanted me to get out here and rattle a little bit. Kind of hard to do it in the stand without sticking your hands out the window, so figured I'd just come down here and do it on the ground, kick some leaves around, hit the grunt call. Maybe we'll get them stirred up. Probably sound like crap, but it was fun doing it anyway. See you when we get back in the stand. Alright, we've been back in the stand for about 30 minutes since I was rattling and grunting. Haven't seen any action yet. We've heard some gunshots all around us. Deer moving. They just ain't made it to us yet. As they get here, they know what's coming. I think they scared.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, dear. You scared? Say you scared. Well, we've been playing around with this new camera. Got it right here. It'll zoom in good. Zoomed into that feeder out there real good. Can't wait to get some deer on it. But we'll be sure to get on when they do decide to come out and play. And deer. sun's going down. Not much action today. Daniel and Scott have seen some bucks. We didn't have no luck. Probably scared them off with my rattling and grunting. But I ain't seen no deer today. Not even a little squirrel. We usually at least see a squirrel or two. Not today. Not even a rabbit. Better look next time, I reckon. I'm ready to eat me some of them French fried taters. Alright, well that wraps up our afternoon hunt. We were sitting there right at dark. Looked like a little old 8-point come out to the feeder. That little old basket rag, pencil horn. But, hey man, we glad to be seeing bucks out here. Scott seen a buck right at dark come out at the end of his field. His field probably about 350 yards long. So he didn't want to chance it. Daniel and Ashley, they seen a couple bucks and some does. Tried to get Ashley on one of the bucks. It was a big 6-point, but by the time she got situated, the deer ran off. But hey, we seeing plenty of horns out here. We just waiting on the right one. And got all week to hunt. I'm off on vacation this week, so got plenty more time to chase them. And get Bristol one sooner or later. But tomorrow we're gonna have a special hunt. We're gonna do something a little different and change it up. Think it's gonna be fun. We're gonna bring y'all along with us. But that's it for today. Y'all thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button down below if you're enjoying our content. We'll see you next time.